Hey guys, I'm headed out to my shed here to kind of give you an idea of what we're up against. I have mentioned before that we had a mess out here and we knew that this thing probably should be torn down, but we love it so much. The shell of it's fine. Had a minor leak in the roof that we fixed, but before we had fixed it, we didn't know it was there. There was some rotting going on the floor. Well, we knew the floor was bad pretty much when we moved in about 16 years ago, and we've just dealt with it. And I have some before pictures. Here is what we're dealing with. It's structurally fine, just kind of yucky, but we have that's where that leak was. We're going to clean that up. We have jacked up the roof and stabilized it so that we're able to get the roof to run the right way. But we essentially have a really wet spot and are going to have to remedy that and put a new floor, and then we're going to change it up. But this is a sweet spot for us. It used to be a playhouse. It has a TV hookup. We've used it as our shed. My kids have made a mighty mess of it, but we've got some rotted out windows on both sides that we have replaced with trim, but the windows, we're just going to take them out and fix them right. Redo a few things, but just wanted to show you a before and what we got here as we try to finish up our property and call it done. Guys, we're back at it with the shed remodel. We had to take about 6 weeks off to repair all the brakes on my truck and also replace some bearings. Definitely a job that took us away from getting the shed done. So I wanted to give you an update of what it looks like inside and what we're going to be doing. So let's take a peek. Hard to see in here, but basically we got it down to bare bones. We've got new windows on either side, and we've jacked up the walls, fixed the roof so that it runs, the water will actually run off like it's supposed to. And we've taken out the shelving. We've got this shelf here that I'm gonna bust up and actually turn into floating shelves that we'll be putting in the corners, kind of like an L-shaped pattern. And then I'll be building a ball caddy and a little bench to go down over there for sports equipment to be stored in. We'll have all of our tools displayed here with more corner shelving here. We've got a little bit of repair work yet to do up in there where the rain had run off and eaten out the one underneath, so we're going to be getting that done. Today's my birthday. What a way to spend my birthday, right? But I will just show you real quick. Right over there is all my shed contents under in our wood pile, and I'm sick and tired of digging out my shovels and stuff to get to work. So here we go. I am taking a huge sigh of relief because today is the day. After all this prep, this rebuilding, we have done so much to this shed that probably should have been torn down, but really didn't want to do that. It still had potential, just needed some love. I spent over an hour cleaning out nuts. You see up in there, that goes back about, I don't know, 2.5, 3 feet. We love to stick our tools and things up over there. Chipmunks love to store nuts. And not only that, but they use it as a restroom. So I spent over an hour cleaning every cobweb you can find. Also had primed, you can see there where we had water come in at one point over the winter. That's the worst part of living in Ohio. If you start a leak, let's say in late October, November, it's there until spring when it's warm enough to mess with this. So you deal with it, you let it go. So here we are, best use of the junk mail covering my windows. I'm gonna get out my HomeRite Super Finish Max Extra. I will add cards up here in the description down below how to set that up and use it, but you'll see me demo it here. We're gonna demo it, not demo as in demolish. You'll see me use it here on the walls, and then I'll have the floors take care of too. We did all the new floors. Let's have at it. Yay! Garden shed is done. Now it's obviously more than you can see just a garden shed. It's our athletic storage. It's also 4-season weather here, so we have things out right now that'll be stored in there over winter. We have sleds and things that we have stored elsewhere so that we can utilize our shed during the summer, but during the winter we put those things in there. So it definitely is a lot of function for us, and this was the best investment we could have done. We saved money by shopping deals and sales and stockpiling when we came across things to make this budget friendly. Obviously we're using what we already had. We had scrap wood to make the shelves, just added some hooks paint. You can't go wrong with paint. That HomeRite sprayer is one of my favorite that I have. And honestly, if you are seeing this right now, you head on over to my blog down prodigalpieces.com and I'm giving one away. In the next few days, you hop over there, you'll be entered to win one of the HomeRite Super Finish Max Extra sprayers that can handle paint, poly, and stain. You can see I've had cards up here on my channel. You can see all the videos where I've used it before for furniture, fencing, decor, all sorts of things, even crafty projects. So what do you think? I hope you enjoy this. I hope you're inspired to maybe take something like this in your own yard, spruce it up a bit with a little DIY fun. Huge thank you to my family. They worked really hard to help us get this done over the last couple months. Really couldn't have done it without them, and I hope that we all can enjoy this. You know this is going to get messy. It's going to have mud and dirt. It's a garden shed. I'd love to hear from you, so leave a comment down below. Leave me some love, and also hit that bell icon down there to get notifications when I have new videos coming up, because I will be having more. There's things that I didn't get done here during this that I need to work on, and I'll be sharing with that with the different potting table I had. So you want to get updates for that. Also subscribe and head over to my blog to sign up for my free email newsletter. It comes to you just as often as you like, whether as often as I post or more in a group setting so you can read posts all at once. Always up to you. And it comes with some freebies too. So I hope you enjoy this. I hope you're inspired to give DIY a try. Until next time, Larissa at Prodigal Pieces.